If you don't want to launch your site on the internet yet, and you only want to try and test WordPress for free, then you can install WordPress locally like this on your computer. And I'll show you how to fully move your local site to a live site. I'll show you how to do this with Local by Flywheel because that's the easiest free one to use. So let's come to our browser and enter this website address. Once you're on this site, go here and press download. Then choose your platform. So I'll click and choose Windows. Fill in your information here like this and then click Get Now. Now the software has started downloading. Double click to open it and click here to install it. And once it's done, you can click Finish. Now here you can see that there's the option to create a new site. So let's click that. Now this name is only a file name and won't show up anywhere on your website. So you can name it anything like test website. So then come down and click continue. If you want to use the preferred one, these are all the settings that it's going to use. If you're a beginner, I'd recommend going with the preferred one. Click right here and press continue on the bottom right. And here you can enter your WordPress username, password, and your WordPress email as well. Then go down and click add site. Now WordPress is being set up, then you should see this kind of dashboard. So now go to this admin button and click it. It will then open your WordPress login page. We can then go ahead and type in the username and password that we had created before and then press login. And here we are in a WordPress dashboard, exactly the same if you were in a live website. Now if you go on top, you can see that this is a locally hosted site. I can click here and this is what our site looks like right now before you've added any themes or plugins or content to it. Adding images, fonts, and other customizations can slow down even a new website and then drive away customers. So open a new tab and click airlift.net. Now Airlift is a free speed plugin that makes sure our site doesn't slow down. We built this plugin ourselves and are sharing this for free with our community. It's super simple. Let's just go to sign up, then add your website URL and download the plugin. Then in WordPress, just click on add new, drag and drop the plugin, install and activate it. And your site will automatically get all the speed optimizations it needs and you should see a 90+ score like this. Airlift also makes sure that your site stays fast as you keep adding more things to it. So it's a good long-term tool to have. Now the first step is to open the folder that has our website files. Now these are the HTML files we will upload. Make sure your homepage is named as index.html. Now, instead of uploading them one by one, select all of them, right-click, and compress them into a zip folder. Now we will use this folder later on. The next step to publish your site on the internet is to get a hosting plan and domain name. Now, there are many hosting providers, and no matter which one you select, don't worry, the steps I show you in this video will work for all of them. Today, I'll use Bluehost, not because it's sponsored or anything, it's just that I found a discount link for it, and yes, you can also use it. After clicking this link, we come to this page. Click on Get Started button. You'll see a list of plans. For beginners, the basic plan is more than enough. Click Select here. Next, you need to choose a domain name, which is your website name like this. From here, you want to fill out all your account information like this. Scrolling down, you want to review the package information. For beginners, I recommend starting with the 12-month package. It's a good balance between cost and commitment. Then scroll down to the package extras, uncheck all the extras, agree to the terms of service, and click submit. Finally, enter your payment details. After your purchase, you'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Once you click submit, they'll send you an email to log into your hosting area. Now log into Bluehost and you'll see the option to create a new site or migrate a site. Click on migrate website, click here, and then click on file manager. Open the public HTML folder. This is where we will upload our website files. There might be some sample files in this directory, so let's get rid of them first. We need to select all the files and click delete. Good, now we can upload the website files. Click the upload icon and choose file. Select your website file, which is that zip folder. Now the processing icon here shows that uploading is in progress. Once the process is completed, you can now see the file in this folder. Set the destination as the public HTML folder. Now you can see that all of our website files are now extracted. click on the My Sites tab, click the Start Building button. Once done, it will take a couple of minutes to install WordPress. Here is the login name and password you want to use to enter WordPress. Make sure you save this to your notes because you will need it later. Then click on the My Sites tab, hover over the site we used earlier, and click Manage Sites. On the upper rightmost corner, click Log into WordPress and you'll come here. Now we've reached the WordPress dashboard. From here, you will edit and manage your live website. Now open a new tab, type your domain name, and yes, you can see that your site is now live on the internet. Also, in this 3-minute video, I'll show you our new free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really going to thank me for this later. So click here and I'll see you there.